Go, go. What's up, boy? Here, here's the carrots. Look at this. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, dun, dun, dun,
You got that okay?
Yep. Cool.
Coco. Coco.
Do anything over the week? What was the best thing about
Coco.
the weekend? Do you have a favorite thing that you did over the weekend?
Play Fortnite.
Watch YouTube.
YouTube. What kinds of things do you
Dun,
watch on
dun,
YouTube?
dun, dun. Look at this picture, man.
Is that a hard question to answer?
How is that a hard question? Fortnite. That's the easiest question. Look at Coco.
What's your favorite thing about Fortnite?
Winning.
Do you win a lot?
Why is it hard to open?
I only got one solo win.
Yeah.
But duels and squads, I got lots. That's because there's teammates to help. But as soon as you die, you'll get knocked down. Hey, Coco. Where did you go? Oh, you went back in. Hey, Coco. Where the rat? Oh, rats. I do not want to go in. I'm tough, man. Coco, Coco.
What are you looking for? Or you're leaving?
Coco, say hi to camera, Coco.
Are you just leaving or are you retrieving somebody?
I'm gonna get lots of
You're
followers.
leaving?
These cute animals on my channel, man.
Oops, I'm making a mess.
It's okay. Is Coco doing the mannequin challenge?
The what?
He doing the mannequin challenge. Dun. What if I move the camera away? Wait, still. Hi. Oh my. The only person who's watching me is my cousin. Oh my gosh, so sad.
Yeah.
Hey. Here you go, Coco. Coco, it's okay. Dun, 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 dun. Fire!
Is that all of them?
Oh, snap, hold on. I'm gonna put this on YouTube too. This gonna be a banger, my banger.
Is it okay with you guys if I put chairs up and start sweeping?
Yeah.
Okay. Getting close to the end of the day.
Can't wait till I get home.
Was it still raining out when you came in from school?
Yeah.
Was it? That's too bad. I was hoping it would stop. It stopped. It's stop right before.
Dun 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 dun. Dun. Yeah, this about to get lots
Get
of
that one
views.
back, okay?
Coco, go, 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 here, Coco.
That's it. Just in there.
Y'all some scaredy cats, man. I ain't scared of you, baby.
And would you like to give everyone a few carrots?
Yeah.
So,
He got carrots under him. Oh, now he got it. Oh, wow.
and what I recommend is sort of sprinkling them all
I'm about
around
to end this.
so that the animals have